Hello everyone, welcome back to Kyle's Grip Guide. Today we are going to be trying Selena Gomez Oreos. Evidently she partnered up with them, so let's see how they taste. In the ingredients, it says Selena's chocolate and cinnamon cream cookies. Now that's an interesting flavor. And I can already smell the cinnamon on these things. You can definitely taste the cinnamon and the chocolate. They mix really well together. And that's it for today's video. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. And turn that notification bell on so when I upload more videos, you won't miss out. Thank you guys for watching. And go try these. These are only limited time only though. Thank you. And bye-bye.